Coromandel Express accident. How 3 trains delayed crashed at same place in Odisha. Coromandel on the upline derailed and hit the derailed coaches of Bengaluru Howrah Superfast on the downline. The two derailments took place within 5 minutes. In a massive train crash on Friday involving 3 trains, including Coromandel Express, at least 233 people were killed and about 900 injured in Odisha, prompting immediate rescue action, which continued on Saturday morning too. The toll could go up as bodies were still being recovered, while the Odisha government ordered a state mourning on Saturday, cancelling all events. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee may visit Odisha on Saturday. Coromandel Express hit a goods train in Balasore after hitting Bengaluru Howrah Superfast Express on Friday in a tragic triple train crash. The tragic death figure indicates how massive the crash has been, though it was not immediately clear how the Coromandel Express accident took place. Late at night, the Odisha government clarified that 3 trains derailed and crashed at the same spot, leading to the major mishap. How 3 trains derailed and crashed. Bengaluru Howrah Superfast Express was on its way to Howrah when several coaches derailed and fell on the adjacent tracks. Shalimar Chennai Central Coromandel Express on its way to Chennai collided with the derailed coaches of the Bengaluru Howrah Superfast Express. The derailed coach of the Coromandel Express then hit the wagons of a goods train. Those 3 accidents took place near the Bahanaga Bazar station in the Balasore district, 250 km south of Kolkata and 170 km north of Bhubaneswar. Different versions of which train derailed first and hit the other came up as all 3 crashes took place in a short span of time. Officials said Bengaluru Howrah Superfast, which was on the downline, derailed at 6:55 p.m. and Coromandel on the upline derailed at 7 p.m. The goods train was parked on the track when it was hit.